What is spray foam insulation? Spray foam polyurethane foam has many benefits and purposes. When you decide to install foam in your home, you are making your home greener by saving energy, creating a healthier air environment. Traditional insulations such as fiberglass and cellulose break down over time, releasing contaminants and dirt into your home environment. Traditional insulation has many areas in the attic that let air pass through and has to be replaced every few years. Spray foam insulation expands up to 100 times its size to fill all cracks and crevices, to seal outside air and keep all conditioned air inside. Spray foam insulation does break down over time and has a life up to 85 plus years, meaning it never has to be replaced. We stand by our product and offer a lifetime warranty for the foam if there are ever any issues with it. Not only as an insulator, but spray foam is used to keep moisture out and used as a noise reduction solution. In crawl space areas, moisture sets in forming mold and mildew and can compromise your building structure. When spray foam insulation is used in walls and between floors, it seals all crevices where sounds can travel through, creating noise reduction. Our passion is to help you to save money while creating a healthier environment so you can live, work more comfortably. Overview. Open cell insulation is usually used for attic areas. This insulation will discolor if you have a roof leak or if any moisture is present. The foam is then removed and after leak repairs, we will return to replace the foamed area that has been taken out. Closed cell foam is often used in a basement and crawl space areas. The closed cell option will seal out all moisture, which is why it is chosen for those damp crawl space basement areas. Soundproofing is another service provided by our spray foam insulation. Open cell foam is used for soundproofing services. We provide services for new construction projects as well as existing buildings. Call or email for a free estimate.